What's going on, guys? So if you're new to the channel, this is my 2018 Chevy Silverado and I have true duals on it. No third cat, no muffler, no resonator. True duals, 5-inch shorty tips. We'll look at it in a minute, but I get a lot of questions about this. People wondering, is it daily drivable? Will it make my neighbors mad? Will I get annoyed at it on long trips? All kinds of stuff. I've had this for over a year, so I 100% know exactly what it's like to live with, and I do drive it every single day, so I know exactly what it's like. And I'm going to try to get y'all a lot of inside and outside videos, talk about it while I'm on the inside, and really kind of give you a breakdown of things that I love, things that I am not so crazy about. The only thing I'll say right off the bat, the only thing that does slightly get annoying with it is the cold starts, because there's some places where I drive this truck to my friend's house or something, we get back late, they got neighbors and stuff, and if this thing, it's kind of weird. Sometimes it'll crank really loud, sometimes it'll crank kind of tame, and I don't mean just when it's warm, it's quiet. When it does crank at full loudness, it's loud. It is really loud, and 100% your neighbors will probably be very upset about it. But I'm gonna get to filming some interior and exterior clips as soon as we go over what my exhaust setup is and looks like. We'll do that first, and then we'll go ahead and hit the road. And this is just a, local exhaust shop special, nothing fancy. I know some people will cringe that I put this on a brand new truck, but we've got two individual pipes. The third cap was removed, and then two individual pipes all the way back. No muffler, no resonator, no crossover. And then we've just got some, I should have cleaned up, but they are just shorty 5-inch tips. I don't know how long they are. I just know they're 5-inch diameter. They're shorties. I've got them tucked up as perfect as they could be. I mean, I absolutely love them sitting how they are. So I'm gonna put the camera up, we're gonna hop inside, we'll get an outside crank and an inside one. And like I said, who knows whether or not it's gonna be loud or not, but let's find out. So very quiet cold start this time. Alright guys, so I'm actually headed over to Gear's house. He's gonna help me get some exterior videos, and hopefully we're gonna get some good rollers too, because Randall and Mead are gonna be meeting us over there. Some good rollers as well as exterior exhaust videos, because that's what y'all really want to see, I'm sure.
Doing it again!
We about to go film the truck. This boy being crazy.
Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes, but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone, that's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. Here I won't ever let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off as friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I yelled. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold. Break down, always feel like I could break now, but I never let it take me to that place now. I won't ever let my thoughts get away now. I got better things to do, picking fate now. I just wanna be the best, call me great now. I don't know if I'm okay or insane now. I remember better days on the playground, hoping I can find my way to even when I'm feeling down, I fight, even when I don't know what is right. I'ma pick a side, and I'ma take pride. I will decide my fate, and I will never let them tell me who I am. If you try to shape me, I'll be damned. Planet on the ground is where I stand. Never give up, that was always the plan. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright.
I wanted to talk about what it's like daily driving this, because I do. So obviously the truck didn't crank very loud just then. It was at full temp, everything. But I'll put a clip in here of it doing a true cold start. So now you know it can be extremely loud. And there's sometimes when you're at places that it just is really annoying to be that loud, because, like, for instance, one time my dad was in the hospital and I was having to park there, and at like late at night when I went to leave, it was over, you know, by some apartments and stuff, and I had to crank it up, and I genuinely feel bad doing that because, you know, people are trying to sleep and stuff. Not everybody's gonna feel bad about that, but personally, it just, I don't like waking up people, or just knowing that I'm being a disturbance like that. Sure, if people are awake and stuff, I don't mind being like loud or something. So that's just like one of the circumstances where it was just, I didn't really want to be loud. Also, like when I'm at my friend's house or something, I get home late, they got neighbors and stuff, the cold starts can be brutal, and I mean, there's no getting away from it with this exhaust. If it's gonna crank up loud, it's gonna be loud, and it literally like will shake houses close by. Like, it's just the base of it or whatever is just that loud. You know, we're just driving around town. I'm gonna try not to talk much, just kind of let the exhaust do its thing. We got an 18-wheeler in front of us, so it's not like we can go very fast, but let's roll the windows down just to hear it right here. my truck with 308 gears, 33s, normal takeoffs are usually under 2,000 RPM. It'll go right up to 2,000 and then shift. And so it's pretty quiet usually. And that's a good thing in my opinion, because on the normal takeoffs and normal driving and stuff, you don't want it to be stupid loud, or at least I don't want it to be really loud. I don't want people to think I'm flooring it all the time, because that's where a lot of these straight pipe trucks get their bad names from and stuff, because they're sound like they're flooring it. People are upset, people are looking, people are, you know, just like, why is this person doing this? And they're really not even doing that. It's just, it's that loud under just normal accelerations. And so I love the fact that this one is not that loud. It might be on the outside louder than it seems in here, but as far as in here, it's really quiet normally. So we're about to go up this little hill, small downshift. Right up to 2,000, and so it's got a nice choppy sound that I like personally. That's why I have true duals, no crossovers, but it's still tame. I mean, that's still like a normal downshift, so you're having to go over a hill or something. You're not like waking the dead everywhere. Now, if you put your foot into it, it's super loud, and we ran 70, 80 miles an hour in this all the way there. I didn't experience any drone at all. If you never experienced drone, it's different than just hearing the exhaust. If you have experienced drone, you 100% know what I'm talking about, but I don't experience any drone with this. We're fixing to go over this bridge. I'll get on it a little bit and you'll hear what it's like. It's freaking loud. I don't know how good y'all can hear that with the wind noise, but when you put your foot into it, it screams. So I know the camera's shaky right now because of this road, but we're going about 55 miles an hour. I'm on the gas. You can just ever so slightly hear it in the back. We're gonna turn on this side road. I'm gonna lay into it with the windows up and everything, and y'all will be able to hear what it's like. All right, so windows up. That was like 5,500 RPMs, screaming, destroying my gas mileage. But yeah, so it's pretty loud, but in here, even when flooring it, it's not that loud. I mean, it's very enjoyable. The new trucks that have such good sound deadening and stuff, obviously if I roll the windows down or if I'm outside, it's screaming. But in here, it's great. All right, so we're about to turn on this road, and I'm just gonna do a normal acceleration. The tires should be quieting down, and you should just hear, this is what I normally hear. If the GoPro picks it up, as my ears do, this is what a normal acceleration sounds like. In overdrive, and we're literally at 1,200 RPMs, and it's nice and quiet. We're running 55 miles an hour. Literally, it's like perfect, absolutely perfect. So another big question I get is, do you get a check engine light? You have O2 sensors monitoring the front two, but nothing on the third one. So if you use your brain for a minute, you'd think, well, if there's nothing monitoring it, then the truck's not going to know if it's gone. Sure, the back pressure might be different, and that's a whole nother story of people, saying you're going to blow your truck up because you have too much or you have not enough back pressure. There's never, no one's happy. There's either too much or too little. There's always an argument over it. But no, because as far as I'm concerned, the truck doesn't know that it's not there. Sure, I'm sure it serves some purpose, but if it's not monitored by anything, it doesn't know it's there. The little exhaust flap thing that's in front of your muffler, you can get rid of that. The truck does not care. If this set up, and if you go and do it and your truck blows up or something, don't blame me. But from my experience, the truck does not care that this exhaust is on here or that it's different. it does not care. It's perfectly happy, runs perfect, no issues whatsoever.
Girl, you got me shook from the way your body looks. Got me riding hooks, got me feeling like a rook. I don't do it by the book, but for you I'll take a look. Don't know what your mama took, sweet and spicy like a cook, yeah. I'll keep it real, let's make a deal. Buy you a meal if you just let me feel. Get out your heels, grab on the wheel. Back to my place at the top of the hill. Don't have regrets, I know what's next. She need a fresh, I'll be back in a sec. Look at them legs, don't make me beg. Back to the room, let me show you my bed. Touching on your body feels like taking on a drug. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. Everything you do, I can't seem to get enough. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. Touching on your body feels like taking on a drug. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. Everything you do, I can't seem to get enough. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. I could look at you all day, watch the way them hips sway. Love your body, so I pray, don't you dare take it away. Can't control what I say, lost my mind cause your frame. Hey girl, what's your name? Lit me up just like a flame. Body in motion, I feel the commotion. Be on you like lotion, I'm honest and broken. I flow like the ocean, I feel you were chosen to fix me, I'm broken. My heart that you stolen, hey. Stay with me, play with me, lay with me. Hate to see when you leave, chemistry feels like it's destiny. I just want you laying next to me, and I really don't want you to ever leave. On your body feels like taking on a drug. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. Everything you do, I can't seem to get enough. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. Touching on your body feels like taking on a drug. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. Everything you do, I can't seem to get enough. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb.
Alright guys, well hopefully you did enjoy all the exhaust clips. Got my buddy Mead driving. Him, Randall, and Gear all helped a lot with filming this. Budweiser, sponsor me, that'd be great. But yeah, hopefully y'all did enjoy all the exhaust. Give you a good mindset of what it will sound like if you do this to your truck. And with all that being said, I'll see you on the next one.